in can. Okay. Hi guys. Lower background. Okay. Oh, stop. Okay. Like that. Thanks. You ready to get tired to do that thing? Me and my friend were talking about this the other day. So. As I'm in can. Okay. Hi guys. Lower background. Okay. What I'm saying, I will talk about what is gonna be happening to my channel. So I was listening to like what? Nothing's not to my channel, I promise. When I go back to school. Okay. So oh dude, I can't. There's people. One of my friends like, can we do this? So through that day, don't like my new Thanksgiving and Christmas and stuff, I won't post. But yeah, if you guys don't like my new like schedule for right where I start school, so it's easy. It's easier for me. So yeah, I will still be posting MMC and Charlotte content. If you guys want me to post more Dress to Impress content, you can. Just I don't really play Dress to Impress anymore. I just got bored of it. I don't know. So yeah, or I play other horse games or try out other horse games and stuff. I will. Hopefully this is not a student summer, but bye.
And he's
As a rich history of the Hi guys, so welcome back. God, Bell, God. This guys, make a video for that too. Do you want to?
I'm gonna comment on everyone that
here's trying easy rain easy. It is here. So, okay. Hi guys, so today we're riding Miss Slowpoke here. Okay. Hi guys, so I'm gonna spend my to Lily since my friend probably did like, oh my god, what happened? So while I ride her brother, yes, this is her brother, and exactly that looks like her. Like, can we compare them? Hold up, can we compare them for a second, guys? Hold up, let me get a photo. Can we compare them right now? They're not twins. Well, she has a twin brother, but I'm not riding him today, so yeah. Hold up, let me find her pictures. Also, guys, I am publishing. I am uploading a lot and a lot. Also, why is this going to be? Yeah. But the brothers and sisters. I'm uploading right now. Also, guys, please don't watch this Pooh. He's like a black over white, and she's like a palomino. But the brothers and sisters. Or he's Lily's brother. And then, yeah.